Let's begin our twisted leaf border variation. I'm Lauren Jackson, an APQS sales rep and educator, and I want to show you how to make this design come to life. So first, you're going to find your border. You're going to create a grid and divide the space. Here we've divided the border in half down the middle, and then we gave it consistent blocks across the top. We're going to follow the twisted design by doing a gentle S-curve down the lines of the grid. We're going to go up, down, over, up, down, over, up, down, over until we finish each row. And then we'll come back and we will close the shape. But to put a little bit of a twist on it, we're going to fill the inside of the crosses that we just made. I'm engaging my quilt glide mode on my APQS Millennium, and I'm going to stitch these fine little lines within the center of my cross. By stitching down the center of the cross, I'm going to get an amazing kind of push back filler. You can assume across the top here when I travel straight, that's my border because that is the top of my grid. It doesn't matter so much how efficiently you travel throughout these blocks, as long as you can travel in between them as you're transitioning from one to the other. And then we're going to go through for everything that we can get filled through. And then as we hit our roadblock for the one in the middle that we did, we'll just come down, pass through the side, and go up to finish the rest of them. Pretty simple, but a very effective and efficient border design. And if you use threads that blend, it's going to be an amazing background texture that you're creating. Thank you guys for joining me. Again, I'm Lauren Jackson, your APQS sales rep and educator, and I wanted to share this design with you. Take care and happy quilting!